You looked at me as you walked in the room. Like the Red Sea, you split me open. Somehow knew these wings were stolen. All you did was save my life. I tried to run, but I couldn't move. Well, I paid for these concrete shoes, but like the singer that sings the blues.
Okay, here it is. It's going through there, and now tilt. And to the right, to the right, to the right. So.
This way. Okay, hold your joints. It's coming by me. Now, Jardine, watch it doesn't go that end.
Okay,
Tilt it up.
tilt it towards me. It's coming right. Just hit there.
Okay, and now we gotta get.
Something going on in there.
The pressure's on Dave Purcell.
I'm not allowed to say.
I'm not for sale, but I've been sold. The more I hear, the less I know, and the lies I've swallowed whole, and the real said never.
What team were you guys?
Goodness, this is gonna be hard.
Fastest time so far today of anybody.
I feel like I'm missing a piece.
Switch!
Camera roll. I love my job. I like trophies, and I like winning. And I like money also.
COC 2010, good times.
Put the heartbeat back inside. I'm not dying. All you did was get me through. I owe every breath to you. Heart is so unparalleled.
What do you think of COC, June?
Yeah! Woo!
Awesome.
Stephen Avery, how are you feeling about this?
Can you go down low, all the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top?
Pull me out of that flat line. Put the heartbeat back inside. I'm not dying. All you did was get me through. I owe every breath to you. Heart is so unparalyzed. All you did was save my life. All you did was save my life. All you did was save.
This is our official Stanley Cup of bike building. And what we do with this thing is that we add a plaque to your name with the number of bikes that you've donated. And this thing will be carried through the years, through all of our bike builds. We take great pride in these events, and this you're going to be part of. Yeah. So we'll have the winning team go around the room with the trophy in hand. We'll do the official around the ice procession. For the winning team, they gathered $430.
You looked at me as you walked in the room. Like the Red Sea, you split me open. Somehow knew these wings were stolen. All you did was save my life. I tried to run, but I couldn't.